back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the his and hers TikTok trend, which is becoming really popular right now. But before we get started, make sure to please subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. The first thing we're going to do is a move which is called roll the dice. So basically, we're just going to step forward with our right leg. Our left hand goes forward, and with our right hand, we're going to go 1, 2, and then we're going to clap. So, once again, 1, 2, clap. So, after that, we're going to step forward with our right leg, and we're going to go 1, 2. So, this is a move which is also becoming really popular. A lot of people are starting to do it in different trends. So, basically, you just put your hands together, and then you go 1, 2, you're going to open them. And then we're going to clap. So, from the beginning, 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, clap. So, after that, what we're going to do is, this part, everyone does it differently, but this is how I do it. Our hand goes up in a circle, then both our hands are going to be straight, and then we're going to bend our knees, and our right hand goes towards us and back. And then we're going to go 1, 2. So, our hand goes up, above our left hand, and then down. So, once again from the very beginning, and we'll move on. 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, clap, 1 and 2, 1, 2. Perfect. So, it might look a little bit hard, but just practice and practice, and you'll get it. It's not that hard anyways. So, after that, what we're going to do is, we're going to step back so that our legs are practically together, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go 1, 2. So the same thing we did here, but this time going forward. Then we're going to do the whoa. We're going to roll our arms. So once again from the very beginning, and we'll move on because we don't actually have much left. So let's go. 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, clap. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And whoa, roll. So after the roll, what we're going to do is 1, 2. We're going to sway twice. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do like a circle with our hands to the side. So 1, 2. And then we're going to do like an OK with our right hand. And we're going to slide to the side, so just like this. 1. It looks weird, but when you film from here, as usually people film this trend, it looks good. So 1. Once again, 1. Perfect, and that's it. That's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First, we're gonna go slow, then fast, and we're done. So first, let's go slow. Let's go. 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, clap. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And whoa, roll, sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And now we're doing the same thing, but a little bit faster. Let's go. 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, clap. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And whoa, roll, sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, go follow me on TikTok, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!